Said my usage was going down. I just deleted a few apps, but now it is Alka-Seltzer time. Bam. I'm gonna split it to 2 into 4s. And watch in amazement. It's just like, let me out! The oil is on top, and I want to get out. Look at the top. Can you see all those bubbles on there? It's weird. See it shaking around in the oil? Now it's like all green. Guess now there's nothing to see there. There's just whammo. It's all like shaking around. So I guess that's all, and smack that like button below, and if you had any questions or comments, just will go down in the comments, and be sure to subscribe. Bye!